Hey guys, welcome back to KB'S Rustic Revival. Today we have a 1949 Ferguson TO20. It belonged to my late cousin that just passed away not too long ago. We ended up with it and we're going to try to kind of go through and restore it. But first I think we're going to see if we can get it to start. We had it kind of running. And then we're going to go put it on the hay rake and see if we can rake some hay and find out all the flaws in it that we need to work on. So let's see if we can get it started. Definitely gas. Yeah. Definitely gonna have to change that at some point. And we're probably gonna this right now. It's a 6-volt system. Little 2N Ford was also 6-volt system. We swapped it over to a 12-volt. We'll probably do the same with this, just because I don't have good luck with 6-volt systems.
They don't make that easy, do they?
No, they kind of made it a pain in the butt. Gas tank's clean. It doesn't have very much in it, but it is clean.
Is this a diesel or a gas?
Oh, it's a gas. It's got spark plugs in it. And see. Well, we got trans fluid. Let's see if it's charged up or not. Off of here and go see if we can hook it to the hay rake and see what happens. What we're gonna have to fix is this throttle linkage. You can throttle it up and it'll just go back to an idle. So like I said, my cousin had this tractor. He worked at the scrap yard, so I guess he kind of did the revival on this one and saved it from getting smashed. Which is kind of neat because, I mean, we're driving it, so somebody else just either didn't have the knowledge of how to be able to use it and get it running, or just didn't want it anymore and wanted to get rid of it. Dump a little bit of this in there. It definitely could use a little. Seafoam. So I'm just going to check and make sure it's charging. I don't want to get halfway through this little hay field and have it die on me, so. Let's see if we can get this hooked on the rake and hopefully we don't break anything. Well, there you have it. I think this little Ferguson still got some life left in it, and hopefully we can make it look a little better. And I think it did a pretty good job. Worn out tractor with a worn out hay rake. Nothing better. I guess we'll let it dry for a little while, a day or so, and see if we can put it in a bale. This will be our 4th crop and last crop of the season, so I would say it worked out pretty well. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time on KB'S Rustic Revival.